Hello everyone, good morning all. Today we are going to learn daily use English sentences. Okay? Why? What's wrong with this? क्यों इसमें क्या गलत है? Why? What's wrong with this? There is no use of such a mobile. कोई फायदा नहीं है ऐसे मोबाइल का. There is no use of such a mobile. I can't cheat her. मैं उसे धोखा नहीं दे सकता. I can't cheat her. Is Rohan hiding something from me? क्या रोहन मुझसे कुछ छुपा रहा है? Is Rohan hiding something from me? You should have told me. तुमको मुझे बताना चाहिए था. You should have told me. She is our daughter. She wouldn't give any answer without our consent. वह हमारी लड़की है, हमारी मर्जी के बिना कोई जवाब नहीं देंगी. By the way, what took you so long to get here? वैसे तुम्हें यहाँ आने में इतना समय क्यों लगा? By the way, what took you so long to get here? Until when? कब तक? Until when? I am going into my room. मैं अपने कमरे में जा रहा हूँ. I am going into my room. Thank you so much for your incredible support. आपके ज़बरदस्त सपोर्ट के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर इनक्रेडिबल सपोर्ट. टेक इट ईजी. आराम से. टेक इट ईजी. कैन आई गेट सम पिकल? थोड़ा अचार मिल सकता है क्या? कैन आई गेट सम पिकल? दैट्स वेयर आई एम गोइंग. वही तो मैं जा रहा हूँ. दैट्स वेयर आई एम गोइंग. Eat this and get ready quickly. खाओ इसे और जल्दी तैयार हो जाओ. I tried again. मैंने फिर से कोशिश की. I tried again. Have you forgotten your status? क्या तुम अपनी औकात भूल गए हो? Have you forgotten your status? He came to meet me. वह मुझसे मिलने आया था. He came to meet me. It takes a lifetime to earn respect. उम्र लग जाती है इज्जत कमाने में. It takes a lifetime to earn respect. My mother prevents me from talking to you. मेरी मम्मी मुझे तुमसे बात करने से रोकती है. My mother prevents me from talking to you. May you succeed in life. तुम जीवन में सफल हो. May you succeed in life. What? What did you say? Where have you come? क्या? क्या कहा तुमने? कहाँ आए हो तुम? What? What did you say? Where have you come? Bring the luggage inside. सामान अंदर ले आओ. Bring the luggage inside. I never had the courage to follow my heart. मैं अपने दिल की सुनने की हिम्मत कभी नहीं कर पाया. I never had the courage to follow my heart. Take your share and off with you. अपना हिस्सा उठाओ और चलते बनो. Take your share and off with you. No need to ask me for everything. हर बात मुझसे पूछने की ज़रूरत नहीं. No need to ask me for everything. Since when has he developed an interest in swimming? वह कब से स्विमिंग में इंटरेस्ट लेने लगा? Since when has he developed an interest in swimming? You remind me of my childhood. तुम मुझे मेरे बचपन की याद दिलाते हो. You remind me of my childhood. Bring a glass of water for me. मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लाओ. Bring a glass of water for me. I was about to go. मैं जाने वाला ही था. I was about to go. After a while, he went to office. कुछ पल बाद वह ऑफिस गया. After a while, he went to office. I will find the classroom myself. मैं क्लासरूम खुद ढूंढ लूँगा. I will find the classroom myself. Is the boss in? क्या बॉस अंदर है? Is the boss in? She has seen very bad days. उसने बहुत बुरे दिन देखे हैं. She has seen very bad days. What's your account number? तुम्हारा अकाउंट नंबर क्या है? What's your account number? I wish he would give up bad habits. काश वह बुरी आदतों को छोड़ देता. I wish he would give up bad habits. I wish I were there. काश मैं वहाँ होता. I wish I were there. There are no boys to play. खेलने के लिए लड़के नहीं हैं. There are no boys to play. It's 8 o'clock. 8 बजे है. It's 8 o'clock. I want my money. मुझे मेरा पैसा चाहिए. I want my money. Why do you even mess with him? तुम उससे उलझते ही क्यों हो? Why do you even mess with him? You have got your brother along to here too. तुम अपने भाई को यहाँ भी साथ ले आई. You have got your brother along here too. It's my turn. अब मेरी बारी है. It's my turn. Decide and tell me. तय करके बताओ मुझे. Decide and tell me. Rahul wants to speak with whoever is here. जो कोई भी यहाँ है, राहुल उसके साथ बात करना चाहता है. Rahul wants to speak with whoever is here. What more do you want? तुम्हें और क्या चाहिए? Will the injured have been treated? क्या घायलों का इलाज किया जा चुका होगा? Will the injured have been treated? Whichever car you like, you can take trial. आपको जो भी कार पसंद है, आप ट्रायल ले सकते हैं. Whichever car you like, you can take trial. My mother has sent this. यह मेरी माँ ने भेजा है. My mother has sent this. If it were a small amount, we wouldn't bother you. अगर छोटा अमाउंट होता, तो हम आपको तकलीफ ना देते. If it were a small amount, we wouldn't bother you. What is your favorite sport? आपका पसंदीदा खेल क्या है? What is your favorite sport? What do they want from me? वे मुझसे क्या चाहते हैं? What do they want from me? He is standing across the road. वो सड़क के पार खड़ा है. He is standing across the road. Answer the phone. It must be your mummy's call. फ़ोन का जवाब दो. ज़रूर तुम्हारी मम्मी का होगा. Answer the phone. It must be your mummy's call. I wouldn't want you to wait for me. मैं नहीं चाहता था कि आप मेरा इंतज़ार करें. I wouldn't want you to wait for me. What do you mean by that? इससे तुम्हारा क्या मतलब है? What do you mean by that? All that I told him had no effect on him. जो कुछ मैंने उसे कहा उसका उस पे कोई असर नहीं पड़ा. All that I told him had no effect on him. We all are with you. हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं. We all are with you. He is getting emotional. वो भावुक हो रहा है. He is getting emotional. Okay, I will go and see. Okay, मैं जाके देखता हूँ. Okay, I will go and see. I did not dare to say a word. मेरी एक शब्द कहने की भी हिम्मत नहीं हुई. I did not dare to say a word. What if he lost his job? What would happen then? अगर उसकी जॉब छूट गई तो तब क्या होगा? What if he lost his job? What would happen then? I will return it to you on Monday. मैं तुम्हें यह मंडे को वापस कर दूंगा. I will return it to you on Monday. This is not the way to talk. यह बात करने का तरीका नहीं है. This is not the way to talk. So, see this video again and again and revise these all sentences in your daily routine. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care.